If Opera is giving you an importing error, the good news is that this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix the Opera importing error, whether you're bringing in bookmarks, passwords, or settings from Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and by the end, you should be able to run the import tool successfully again. If this video helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Let's get into it. The first thing to understand is that Opera can sometimes fail to import data if your other browser is still open. When Chrome, Edge, or Firefox is running, it may lock the data files that Opera needs to read. That means the import tool can't access everything properly, and the process may fail or stop halfway through. So before you try anything else, close the browser you're importing from completely. And when I say close it, I mean make sure it is fully shut down, not just minimized. On Windows, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. On Mac, open Activity Monitor. Once you're inside, check the list of running processes carefully. Look for anything related to Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Sometimes the main window is closed, but background tasks are still running, and that can still cause the import error. If you find any lingering processes, right-click them on Windows and select End Task. On Mac, quit them from Activity Monitor. This step is important because even one leftover process can keep Opera from accessing the browser data it needs. After you've made sure the source browser is fully closed, go back to Opera and try the automatic import tool again. To do that, click the Opera logo in the top left corner of the browser. Then go into Update and Recovery. This section is useful because it lets Opera check for browser updates and repair certain features that may not be working correctly. If the import tool is failing because of a bug or a compatibility issue, updating Opera can often fix it right away. Inside Update and Recovery, allow Opera to check for updates. If there is a newer version available, let it download and install the latest update. This may patch the importing tool and resolve the issue without any extra troubleshooting. Once the update is finished, restart Opera if needed, then run the import process one more time. At this point, the import should work much more smoothly. In many cases, the problem comes down to two simple things. The other browser was still open, or Opera needed a fresh update. So if the first attempt failed, don't panic. Just make sure the source browser is completely closed, end any background tasks, update Opera, and then try again. If you still run into issues, it can help to repeat the process carefully and make sure you're importing from the correct browser profile. But for most users, this fix is enough to solve the Opera importing error fast. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.